Andrew, welcome to InvestorStream for the first time. It's great to have you on to talk about the upcoming IPO of Queensland copper explorer Chalkos Metals Limited. Firstly, for those new to the story, what's your primary asset and what are the key details of the upcoming IPO?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Alex. Look, Chalkos Metals' portfolio consists of several well-advanced exploration tenements that are located adjacent to the world-class Mount Isa Mines Complex, which is owned by Glencore. Our properties are about 10 kilometres from the city of Mount Isa and near to established infrastructure, including processing options and a rail line, which is connected to the export gateway in Townsville. In terms of our IPO, it opens on the 20th of May, and it's for 30 million shares at 20 cents a share, and we're looking to raise $6 million. That could go up to 40 million shares for a maximum raise of $8 million. We'll look to close the offer on the 17th of June, and we'll have an indicative list date of the 30th of June 2022.
Thanks, Andrew. So given Chalkos has secured a foothold in one of the most productive base metal regions in the world, what are your plans to unlock the potential of your portfolio, and how advanced are you on the exploration front?
Yeah, that's certainly correct, Alex. We are located in the heart of the highly productive and prospective Northwest Minerals Province in Queensland. A key component of our asset is the significant amount of historical exploration that's been completed. For example, there has been over 24,000 metres of RC drilling completed. There's been over 250,000 rock chip and soil samples done and numerous geophysical surveys. So what we've done recently is we've undertaken an extensive data compilation exercise, and this has identified 7 priority copper prospects and 13 walk-up drill targets. So off the back of this, we've assembled a really highly experienced operations team who are already on the ground in Mount Isa. And we've commenced an 1,800-metre diamond drill campaign pre-IPO on 3 of these prospects. So this historical data set that we have, it's really put us in a great position to accelerate exploration. And we've already designed an extensive copper exploration program to unlock shareholder value post-IPO.
Thanks, Andrew. So as you mentioned there, I understand you've assembled a highly experienced local team to drive that strategy in Mount Isa. Can you just provide us with a bit of background, firstly on yourself, but also the key players on the Chalkos team?
Yeah, certainly. And I'll start with myself as executive chair. So I'm based in Mount Isa. I've lived and worked here for over 10 years and was previously the CFO for Glencore's Queensland Metals business. So that encompassed the full value chain from exploration and mining of base metals all the way through to smelting, refining and export of LME grade product. Joining me on the board is Keith Middleton as a non-executive director. So Keith's an experienced corporate advisor and ASX director. He previously was the managing director of American Rare Earth, and he's currently also a director of Pacific American Holdings. Dr. Rick Gordon rounds out our board. Rick's a former geology and exploration manager and has numerous discoveries that have led to the mining of new ore bodies or extension to mine life. Rick has actually completed his PhD on the ground here where our tenements lie. Daryl Henthorne and Viridian Capital are our lead managers and corporate advisors. Here in Mount Isa, operations are being steered by our senior geologist, Chris Tedman-Jones. He's got over 40 years of experience in the field, and he's been working these tenements since 2015. Total depth drilling are completing our phase 1 drill program, and we're using top fire construction to do our earthworks and civils. We look to use local business as much as we can. So as well as keeping money in the community, what that certainly allows is for us to move really quickly to execute our key works program.
Thanks, Andrew. So clearly a very exciting time for yourself and Chalkos Metals as you approach the planned IPO. Before I let you go, can you just leave us with a summary of what your near-term plans are once you are listed, and how can interested investors get in touch to participate in the IPO?
Yeah, Alex, it certainly is an exciting time, and our second phase of drilling will commence shortly. So it's for another 7,000 metres, and it'll target test the remaining 10 walk-up targets that we've identified. So we will have a strong pipeline of news flow ready to hit the market, so including results from our phase 1 program and the commencement of phase 2. There'll be further electrical geophysics that'll be undertaken as part of the exploration program. And in addition, we'll continue to do field works such as soil sampling, mapping, and rock chipping. Really, to round out, Chalkos Metals offers a key copper exploration opportunity in a world-class jurisdiction. We've assembled a highly experienced team, and we are on the ground in Mount Isa right now. And everything we do is basically under the objective to develop an economic copper resource. And everything we do is certainly underpinned by that historical database that we've compiled. So if you would like to participate in the IPO, please head over to chalkosmetals.com.au, download our prospectus, have a look at some of the other media that's loaded up on the webpage, and follow the link to the application process.
Fantastic, Andrew. Really appreciate you joining me today. All the best with the upcoming IPO, and we'll keep a very close eye on those near-term work plans as they progress. Thanks for joining me.
Great. Thanks, Alex.